right, everybody, welcome to ShellFest 2021. We're doing this again. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your emails. Get my seasoning. I'll send it out to anybody who wants it. I'll throw my email in the description. If you want my seasoning recipe, I'll send it to you, no problem. Anyway, we got a fun day planned ahead. We're in beautiful Prescott, Arizona. We'll see you in a bit, brother. ShellFest! Well, it's that time again. Here's what we got, okay? All right, liquid time. Again, lemon shandy. We got 3 of these things going in. Oh, it smells good already. 3 lemon shandy, which is basically lemonade beer. A little bottle of the Zatarains shrimp and crab oil concentrate. If you like this stuff. This is a 1 4-ounce bottle. Ooh, that's hot. Let it go a little bit and then seasonings go in. Okay. AK's Bombastic Seafood Boil Seasoning. It's like 4.5 pounds. Same every year. We love it. It's good. Alright, we'll start to put the citrus, garlic, onions, artichoke here shortly. Thank you. Alright, folks. Citrus and garlic. Onion artichoke. We're going to let it go 10 minutes and then the rest goes in. Okay, potatoes are going in now. Potato time. Yeah, buddy. Okay, 10 more minutes and then Brussels sprouts. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we got Brussels sprouts going in by deafener. Careful, watch your toes. Woo!
Sorry.
We lost one. Bye, Felicia. Okay, so we forgot to put butter in it, so we're doing it now. With the help of Trisha. Yeah, buddy. Thank you. Okay, sausage and mushroom time.
What's going in? Sausage.
Woo! Yeet.
Oh, it's time to get a little crazy with the mushrooms in the mix.
Eat that shit. Eat it. Thank you, Evan. All right. We're going to let that go for about a minute, and then we're going to throw the seafood in. Okay, Nick. Nicole dumping in the shrimp. 4 pounds of shrimp going in. 4 pounds of shrimp going in. Thank you. Michael has got about 21 lobster tails. Yeah, but thank you. Okay, there's Zara. Here comes Nikki with king crab legs. We got 5 pounds of king crab legs. Perfect. And then here's Kennedy with snow crab legs. And that's it. 5 pounds of snow crab legs. Perfect. All right, thank you. Now, we're going to let this sit. We're going to let this sit. I'm shutting the fire off right now. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to let this soak. And I'm going to do something different. Let me show you. Hang on. Okay, now we're doing something a little different. We're actually squeezing in a couple of lemons. And you could throw the whole thing in when you're done. Squeeze it. Dump it in. We're going to do lemons and oranges. already cooked sweet corn, frozen. These act like ice cubes to help slow the cooking down. Push these bad boys in, we should be good. I'll test it here shortly to see how cool we are. We need to get it below 150. Down there. First, let me take a selfie. Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
There we go.
Corn rolls. Well, that was anticlimactic. Okay. Yeah. Just a couple of corn
rolls.
rolls.
Okay, let's go first. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
ShellFest 21.
I know. Watch it. Don't go.
Here we go. People are digging all the way in this.
Can't take